Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Sephora unboxing. Yay! It is September 1st, but this is July's box. The theme at the end of the summer. It's a cartoon, I guess. Play Bay. Oh, cute. Okay, so, beauty sidekicks. Your beauty sidekicks. There it is. Okay. Green bag. First thing in the bag, I think I saw Glam Glow, so yeah. Okay, I can't wait to try this. This is the Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. Yes. I love these products. I'm almost out of my mud mask, so I'm super excited to use that. Although I did just buy toner, but you know I'm going to use that anyway. So the next thing is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum by Sunday Riley. Okay, hello Sunday. I'm not filming outside because it's blazing hot and it's too much effort. Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Stylant. I do not blow dry my hair, so I will be gifting that. Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Whoa, that's a big claim. 72 hours? Okay. Cute packaging. We'll try that. Oh, I see something awesome. I'm saving it for last. Bare Minerals Set Hydrate and Glow Dew Mist. Let's go ahead and open this. These look like really fun things. Like, I'm really excited about this box. Setting spray. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. And the last thing that I saved for last because I'm excited. I hope it's not the color I always get though. Sorry. NARS! I love NARS. I love their stuff. Okay, Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dance Fever. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Don't ask. Don't ask these questions. Is this filming? Am I recording? Okay, I hope so. Oh, this looks like a chocolate. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. I just had to make sure it was recording because I wasn't really sure. It is a chocolate. I don't even think you can see it. I can't wait to use this though. Ooh, yes. Thank you, NARS. Sephora, you came through this month. This month, you stepped your game up to me, in my opinion. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice neutral color that's going to be great for work. This super toner, or I didn't really say super toner. I can't wait to use that. I'll probably use that tonight before I go to bed. Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution, names as all. Super Toner has power to help exfoliate, purify, and clarify your complexion. So it's going to help keep my skin clear. So I'm all about that life. Yes, my 50 extra points. I have several of these. I'm still holding on to them. I haven't made a trip to Sephora in a while, but I am almost out of my mud cleanser, so I do have to go back. And you know, you can't buy just one thing. Well, I don't know. You may be able to. I cannot. So, thank you, Sephora. This is not a sponsored video. I pay for these boxes myself with my own cashola. These are 100% recyclable. I still don't like them, but whatever. Cute little thing. Cute little playbook. It's like a, what am I trying to say? Comic book. It's like a comic book. That's what it is. And yeah, it's cute. Oh, you could use this for snacks for lunch. That's a great idea. A great way to recycle them and to use it for your toiletries when you travel. Okay, thanks, Sephora. That's a great idea. I probably won't do that, but it's a great idea. Thanks. Okay, so shout out to Sephora. Thank you so much. Shout out to Glam Glow and NARS. I'm super excited. Sunday Riley, she has really nice products too. And yeah, I'm excited. The Briogeo Farewell Frizz I will be gifting. So, because I don't put heat on my hair anymore. I'm not going to do that. It does change the curl pattern. It changes the texture a little bit of my hair. So, and I'm really loving the growth and the beauty that's happening with it, and the natural curls are all coming back lovely. So yeah, I'm trying to protect that as much as possible. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed everything that came in your box. Have a blessed week. Peace.